Hello! So today we're gonna need a linoleum block 4 inches by 6 inches, linoleum cutter, multimedia paper, pencil, roller, and ink. First, take the linoleum block and the pencil and draw a design on top of the block with the pencil. Step 2 will be to take the cutter and cut the linoleum that you don't want in your design. Start with the outside of the design and always cutting towards the edge so you don't hurt yourself. Don't put your finger in front of the cutter or you're gonna hurt yourself.
A few minutes later.
The third step is easy, it's the same as step 2. Basically, you take the cutter again and cut the linoleum inside the design that you don't want to print. For the fourth step, take the roller in the ink, put them beside you. Open the ink, roll the roller on top of the ink until the roll is full of ink. Step 5. Take the roller full of ink, roll it on top of the design, and make sure that you have ink everywhere. The last step will be to put the paper on top of your design and rub it slowly and hard with your hand. The print may not be perfect the first time you try. It can have too much ink, like not enough. It can also have too much linoleum that is still on the design, and you may have to come back with the cutter to take it out. I hope you had fun and thank you for watching.